Solar's such a long game, you're investing for the future. If you install inferior components, you're only going to be replacing them in the short term. So we're installing quality components so we can do it once. Solar is a labour intensive investment as well. If you're having to change that product over every 3 or 4 years, you're spending a lot of money on labour to remove and reinstall. Good quality components go in once, they stay there for the life of the system. It's something that you can have that peace of mind in the installation. So a large-scale solar system using high-performing panels means we've still got plenty of roof space left if we need to go bigger later, and then also allows for electric vehicles in the future, allows for other appliances to come online, vehicle charging, battery charging. The client here is absolutely ecstatic about with the way the installations happen. The aesthetics on the roof, how the system has been installed, how the inverter and battery have been mounted, and then also the specific savings. They're monitoring their data on their phones, they're able to log into their data on their laptops, they can see their savings straight away, they know where they're at any day of the week, any day of the month, in their billing period, in their quarterly billing cycle, they know how things are going, and they're rapt. They can't talk highly enough about the quality products that have been used, the quality of the installation, and the proven performance that we deliver. We have created a system here that does protect them against any changes in the future. With the quality products that are installed here, we're talking long-term investment and long-term warranties. We've got a 25-year warranty on the panels. That's a product and performance warranty. Some manufacturers will quote just the performance warranty without the product warranty. So high quality components, long warranties, meaning savings for the life of the system.